Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another makeup video for you guys, and it will be based on this look that I've created. It's actually inspired by the 90s makeup. I hope this is 90s-ish, 90s enough. If you guys would love to know how I created this look, then please keep watching. So I have prepped my skin and I am going in with Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Applying the foundation all over my face. This foundation is a natural, I would say that it has a natural buildable coverage, nothing too heavy on the skin. Then I am going in with my favorite concealer, the MAC Mineralize Concealer in the shade NW25. As usual, I'm just covering up all the dark spots, blemishes and the dark areas under my eyes. Then I'm using a small concealer brush to just cover up any blemishes, dark spots that I have, and I do this using a tapping motion. Next, I go on to conceal the area under my eyes using a large concealer brush. I love using these brushes from Care Cosmetics or Care Beauty because I think the brushes work really well, and you know, they cover up really seamlessly. So basically, I've decided to set my face, and I'm actually using Milani's press powder, or is it press and conceal powder? Anyways, I'll leave the details below in my description box. For contouring, I've decided to use Tarte's Park Avenue Princess palette. I really love the gold packaging here. The shades in this palette are really so beautiful, and also they are really easy to blend. Next, I'm gonna go in to contour my nose area, and I'm just taking a lighter shade than the one earlier that I used to contour my face. So here I'm actually blending out my nose contour and making sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking this cream colored shade, and I'm just going in to highlight on top of my nose, the nose bridge, a little bit on the forehead, and yep. We are going onto the eye area, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I have picked up the shade Sienna and just swiping it all over my eyelid. Next, I took the shade Cypress Umber, or is it called Cypress Umber? Anyways, I am applying that shade into my crease and also bringing the color forward. I'm just blending in the color with the shade Sienna. Then I'm taking this beautiful light colored shade called Tempera, and I'm just going to be applying that color onto my brow bones. Using a small blending brush, I just proceed to blend, blend, and blend. Going in with the color Sienna, I am just applying it on my lower lash line. Taking the same shade Tempera, I'm just dabbing it onto my inner corners to just brighten up my eyes. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm just using Bobbi Brown's Perfectly Defined Long Wear Brow Pencil in the shade Saddle. I have also done a separate video on how I do my eyebrows naturally. I'll list the link down to the video on top. Be sure to catch it. And ta-da! Eyebrows done. Next up, I'm taking Revolution Awesome Eyeliner in Felt and Kohl, and I'm going to be using the Kohl side of this eyeliner today. So I'm just going to be drawing as closely as possible to my eye shape, and also I went in to line my lower waterline with this. Next up, mascara. I am using Essence Instant Volume Boost Mascara today, and it's a fairly new mascara that I purchased, and I am just trying it out, just see how it works. I'm going in with my Nars Blush in the shade Sin. This is a slightly cool tone blush with some golden shimmer to it that actually adds warmth to the face. I believe this would look so beautiful in most skin tones. Then I'm gonna be using my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Global Glow to just highlight my face, my cheekbones, my nose area, you name it. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm actually using MAC's lipstick in the shade Paramount. This is the finished look. I'll be posting a new video once a week, so stay tuned, do subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you guys get notified when I upload my next video. Bye!